back to my channel. My favorite holiday is Halloween, and so I'm gonna be making a bunch of delicious treats this whole month, and I got a lot of requests from you guys to make a savory Halloween recipe. I have the perfect recipe. It's from my newest cookbook, Baking All Year Round. Ready? Breadstick bones! These are not just your average breadstick recipe. Oh no, these are potato breadsticks with a hint of garlic and a little bit of cheese. It's a family favorite in this house. I'm Irish on my dad's side, and for some reason there's a lot of potatoes in those recipes. You're going to love them. And today I have Bob helping me. Bob is an old friend. We go way back. We've been friends for many years. And don't worry everybody, he's been quarantining for quite some time, so we're good. The last time Bob and I hung out was last Halloween. Usually I have a big Halloween party with family and friends, and Bob was in the pool. Bob was on the diving board all night, and then he fell in the pool at one point. You had a great Halloween. If you like watching baking videos, give this one a thumbs up, and if you're new, click subscribe and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video, because I'm gonna be making a bunch of recipes. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll be posting pictures and the recipe over there. I'm also doing some fun giveaways and posting some bonus videos, and Bob might come say hi. Okay. Let's get started. In a large bowl, we're gonna mix together a little active dry yeast, sugar, warm water, and warm milk. Don't worry, Bob, I'll let you do the next thing. Bob loves to bake. That's why I invited him. I knew this would be right up his alley. Once mixed, you're gonna let it sit for 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. And then we just get to hang out. In the years we've known each other, Bob has never told me his favorite candy. He says he likes it all. So if you want to guess Bob's favorite candy, please do so in the comments down below, because he is a man of few words. It's not Tootsie Rolls. I'll tell you that. I never seen you eat a Tootsie Roll. They're currency candies. They're only there to trade up. We're halfway there, everybody. It's starting to get bubbly and we love it. Bubble Bubble Boil in Trouble. I don't know the quote. Never will remember it. My brain won't allow me. It's called dyslexia. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Bob, you show everybody how nice and foamy it is. See? Look at that. The little foam. Pretty cool. Good job, Bob. Now that our yeast is activated, I'm gonna add our other ingredients. I'm gonna add a little bit of mashed potatoes. Bob's favorite. Melted butter. Oh, yeah. Smell this. What does that remind you of? Movie nights, buttered popcorn. Pour that in, and 1 egg. Then mix together just a little bit. Break up the yolk. He wanted to watch this for me, so you hold this. In a large bowl, you're gonna mix together your flour, bread flour, and garlic powder. We'll know if there's any vampires that sneak in because they have a bite of this. Goners. All right, once this is mixed up, then we're gonna add a little bit of the flour into the yeast mixture. I got a little 1/2 cup measurement here. That's all you need. There you go, Bob. Oh my gosh, my sleeves are fuzzy and they're like going everywhere. I'll mix that for you. You're the guest. I won't make you work that hard. Mix it in until you get a thick paste, and then we'll place this on the stand mixer and mix in the rest of our flour. Thanks, Bob. All right, so we've got, oh no, Bob, wait. Pop this into place and, oh, Bob! Oh no! Whoopsie doodle. He may have had a cocktail before he came over. There you go, buddy. Okay, so we're gonna put it on a low speed, and then we're gonna slowly add our salt and the rest of our flour mixture over the course of like 3 to 5 minutes. Also, I almost forgot to mention that I've got a dough hook at the end because we're gonna be making a dough. And as it gets thicker and thicker, it's gonna start to peel away on the sides of the bowl, and that's exactly what you want. I've got the dough hook on. We mean business. Okay, let's put it on a low speed. Add a little bit of salt. Threw it all over the counter. That's bad luck, I think. Isn't that bad luck?
Good luck.
It's good luck? I think if you drop it, you have to throw it over your shoulder to counteract your bad luck. Okay, I'm not a superstitious woman, but also I don't know. All right, so let's just do it just in case. I just threw it down my shirt. I hope that's extra good luck. You know what, just to be sure, let's put it over both shoulders, maybe a couple times, just in case. Let's start scooping in our flour. Scoopity scoop. Molly, what does it say?
Yeah, spilling salt's bad luck.
It is bad luck.
It's even painted
Great.
in Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper. It shows Judas knocking over salt.
Judas knocks over the salt?
Yeah.
Oh, great. Me and Judas.
Spilling salt's bad luck, and throwing a pinch over your shoulder reverses that bad luck. So you did it right.
So we're good. We're good here. Woo! Bob, that was a close one. All right, looks good. Nice. It's not bad luck if you drop a whisk, right? Our dough is looking good. We're gonna take it out of the bowl. Lightly flour your work surface, just in case the dough is sticky. And if you've never kneaded dough before, it's really easy. You just use the palm of your hand. So you roll it into a little ball, place it on the counter, and then with this part of your hand, you press forward and down, pull back, and turn. Forward, down, pull back, and turn. And just keep doing that for about a minute. And if your dough feels too sticky, you can add a little bit more flour to it. And if it's feeling right, just work it with your hands for about a minute. And if you guys like my nail color, it's by OPI. It's called Chiffon My Mind, like you're on my mind, but cake, like a chiffon cake. Chiffon My Mind. It's cool. It's like a light white, kind of bone colored. Maybe. What do you think Bob's favorite instrument is? A trombone? Why does Bob go to the hockey games? To watch a Zamboni? What's Bob's favorite drink? It's whiskey. There's no joke here. It's just straight up whiskey. Our dough is looking so good. Look at that. It's not sticky. You don't want it to stick to your hands at all. It's a little bit tacky, but not sticky. Now you're gonna place it into a large bowl covered with olive oil. I put a bunch of olive oil in here, and you're gonna place your dough in here and roll it in the oil. You want it to touch everywhere. Then you're gonna take a clean kitchen towel and place it over the top, and we're gonna put it to rest. This is like going to sleep and you're tucking it in at night, and we're gonna let it sit here out on the counter at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours. It's just until the dough doubles in size, and it does depend on your climate, whether you live in a hot climate or a cool climate, whether it's humid or dry. All right, we're gonna put it to bed over here. Good night, bread. And while it's resting, Bob and I are gonna do some cleaning. We're gonna clean all this up. Okay, you got the mixer? Okay, you put that away and I'll go put this away. Let's check in on our dough. Ooh, much bigger. This is nice. Once your dough has doubled in size, we can start to roll it into little balls. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on your work surface so the dough won't stick. Divide the dough into 18 sections. We want 18 balls. Oh, wow, look at you. Woo! Okay, we're gonna roll all these little pieces into balls, and then we're gonna cover them with a clean kitchen towel while we work on shaping each one. We've got all of our balls, and now we're gonna cover them up so that while we're working on one and shaping one, the other ones stay fresh, they don't develop a skin. So just take your ball and you're gonna roll it into a rope about 4 inches where the bulges are at the end, and then you're gonna place onto a baking sheet lined with a piece of parchment paper, and then with some baking scissors, you're gonna cut each end so that your breadstick will look like a bone. And then you're gonna do this to the rest of your breadsticks. Let's get started. Once you've got your breadstick bones all shaped, we're gonna cover them one last time with a clean kitchen towel for 15 minutes to rest. After they've rested, we're gonna pop them in the oven at 350 degrees and bake for about 12 to 14 minutes until they turn a golden brown. After your bread bones have baked, we're gonna top them with a little bit more flavor. I love this part. So over here we have melted butter, a little bit more garlic powder. So you're gonna pour that into the melted butter, mix it up. Oh, that smells so good. Then using a little baking brush, we're gonna paint this on the top of every breadstick. Last one. All right. Now sprinkle a little bit of shredded Asiago cheese on top. You can put a little or a lot. So hard not to eat this right now. I'm almost done though, so I can almost have one. And ta-da, they're done. Our breadstick bones, they are ready to eat, ready to enjoy, and you can dip them in a little bit of marinara sauce. That's what we do at our house. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this savory Halloween recipe. It is delicious, and again, I'll be posting the ingredients down below in the description and the full recipe on my Instagram and website, so you can go check it out there. And if you guys make this recipe, please take a picture and send it to me. Use the hashtag #RowRecipe so that I can find it and like it and heart it and favorite it and give it all the love, because I love seeing your baking creations. They just make me happy. They make my day. Oh! Oh my gosh! The dogs just, I think they saw somebody at the door. Whew. Bob, that scared me. Come on, Bob. Now we can have a bite. Give me a high five. Yeah. Oop, one for me. You can have any of these, Bob. Take your pick. Oh, look at that. Perfect. The potato, the garlic, the cheesy, the buttery. Great day. Here you go, Bob. Bob loves them. He would tell you all about it, but he doesn't want to talk with his mouth full. That would be rude. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and ring the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. And if you want to watch any other videos, you can click up here or up here. And let me know in the comments down below what other recipes you would like to see, because I love to bake. Come on, Bob. Let's go watch a movie.